Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are doing sound spelling. The first word we're going to do is the word jug. J-U-G, jug. I'm going to put 3 sound dots because I hear 3 sounds in jug. First sound, J. G. Jug. Please write jug on the line. J. G. Jug. Our next word is cup. K-U-P. Cup. 3 sounds. K-U-P. First sound, K. Cup. Please write cup on the line. K. Cup. Our next word is fun. F-U-N. Fun. 3 sounds. F-U-N. First sound. F-U-N. Fun. Please write fun on the line. F-U-N. Fun. Our next word is pup. P-U-P. Pup. 3 sounds. P-U-P. First sound. P-U-P. Pup. Please write pup. P-U-P. Pup. Our next word is dug. D-U-G. Dug. 3 sounds. First sound, D. U-G. Dug. Please write dug. D-U-G. Dug. Our next word is nut. N-U-T. Nut. 3 sound dots. N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Please write nut on the line. N-U-T. Nut. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, for this side, you need a pencil, 1 crayon, and 1 marker. Please pause the video and get out your materials. Pencil, crayon, marker. Our first word is rug. R-U-G. Rug. With your pencil, please write rug. R-U-G. Rug. I'm going to use a red crayon. Write rug with your crayon. R-U-G. Rug. Now with your marker, please write rug. G, rug. Our next word is tub. T-a-b, tub. With your pencil, please write tub. T-a-b, tub. Now with your crayon, please write tub. T-a-b, tub. With your marker, please write tub. T-a-b, tub. Our next word is gum. G-a-m, gum. With your pencil, please write gum. G-a-m, gum. With your crayon, please write gum. G-a-m, gum. Now with your marker, write gum. G-a-m, gum. Our next word is mug. M-a-g, mug. With your pencil, please write mug. M-a-g, mug. With your crayon, please write mug. M-a-g. And with your marker, please write mug. M-a-g, mug. Our next word is run. R-a-n, run. With your pencil, please write run. R-a-n, run. With your crayon, please write run. R-a-n. And with your marker, write run. R-a-n, run. Our next word is hum. H-a-m. With your pencil, please write hum. H-a-m, hum. With your crayon, H-a-m, hum. And your marker, H-a-m, hum. Our next word is but. B-a-t, but. With your pencil, please write but. B-a-t, but. With your crayon, please write but. B-a-t, but. With your marker, please write but. B-a-t, but. Our next word is bud. B-a-d, bud. With your pencil, please write bud. B-a-d, bud. With your crayon, please write bud. B-a-d, bud. With your marker, please write bud. B-U-D, bud. Our next word is yum. Yum. With your pencil, please write yum. Yum. With your crayon, please write yum. Yum. And with your marker, please write yum. Yum. And our last word is cut. 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 With your crayon, write cut. Cut. And with your marker, please write cut. Cut. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.